everyone. It's been a little while. I flew some yesterday, but the footage didn't turn out so good. But I have the Diatone Roma F5 today. I'm not going to do anything fancy today. I'm just going to fly. I also got a GoPro. I got an ND filter. So I'm going to put the ND filter on. We're going to do some fun flying, and we'll talk about what the Roma feels like. I wanted to do a proper review video of the Roma, and so maybe I'll do that a little bit down the road. But I'm at my apartment complex and just got here right after work. And so I kind of wanted to just remember this apartment complex and just kind of my daily routine as a memory, because I'm planning on moving out of here within about 6 weeks. So it's kind of bittersweet and an exciting time. So I'm gonna fly the Roma today, and I'll kind of talk about it, and let's just have some fun. GoPro is on. All right, 3, 2, 1. This quad is insanely fast, and I'll do a little punch out for you. I'm gonna put it in acro now. This is with the GoPro weight on it. So if you take the battery out of the GoPro, the quad fly is significantly more powerful, and that's a 30-gram difference. But even with the full GoPro Hero 8 on here, this is a 1300 milliamp hour full send battery, and you have so much power. Ready? You get a lot of power with this quad, and you get almost no prop wash. I really hope the GoPro footage turns out a lot better this time. I think because of the weird ND filter I used last time, I got a lot of not sharp footage, and it's super fun to just see this sunset. Just a beautiful day outside. It's like 71 degrees, just beautiful. Also, I just wanted to say shout out to all the people that have liked and subscribed without me asking. That's kind of amazing that you guys are excited to just join the journey. I had someone comment and post that he hasn't seen any Roma F5 cinematic footage. Well, here you go, bud. Here's your Roma F5 cinematic footage with the GoPro. And obviously I'll be posting even more fun spots later on. Exactly 4 minutes of flight time right now. 4.5 minutes, 21.7. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it in so we can switch batteries. That was awesome. So first flight in the books. First pack was with the ND filter, ND8 auto shutter. Second pack was with no ND filter, also on auto shutter, just because I didn't want to mess up any footage. And hopefully out of one of those, we'll have some usable GoPro footage for y'all to see. Until then, here is some round number 3. Woo! This is with the GoPro with no battery flight, so it's going to be substantially more powerful, and I love flying like that. It's pretty sweet. I'll try to catch the sunset with the DVR. All right, this is flight number 3. Wow, what a beautiful sunset captured with the DVR. I have the CADX Vista on here. Let me put it in full acro mode. And so beautiful. You know, my favorite thing is seeing the green trees with the sunset glow. Man, it just looks so pretty. Like, let's look at this. Like, let's go check out the trees when I turn around here. Check this out. Look at that. So beautiful, right? Cut the throttle. Look at this free fall dive. Wow. Oh, I kind of spooked those people. Whoops, I did not mean to do that. But that was awesome. Don't the trees just look beautiful with the sunset? You know what's cool? You can even see the moon. Check out the moon. Alright, let's try a power loop. Ooh, that was fun. Kind of scary. We'll try it again. Sunset power loops. I need to time it because the loop is so wide on those. So I guess I gotta throttle in further, but I feel like if I throttle in further, it's gonna loop even more. I don't know. Let's try it here. I'm kind of scared because the lake is here, so let's not take too many risks. We can do some yaw turns. Ooh. That was pretty cool. Ooh, that was a cool one. I really like that move. That one was a little iffy. We're at 4.5 minutes of flight time. Check it out. 21.6 volts. Probably can get to 5. I'll probably land a little early. I'm not trying to burn any batteries, but last sunset view. Beautiful. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching. Love the comments, love the feedback, and hope you all have an awesome stargazing and sunset filled